Hey, what's going on, guys? Aldesha here, and today I'm going to try some Dollar Tree microwavable snacks. First, we're going to try the cheeseburger sliders, the barbecue rib sandwich, the chili cheese dog, and a 2-pack of White Castle sliders right there. And I'm gonna flush it all down with some Modelo Chelada. So let's get started. Get the plate out. Start off with the cheeseburger sliders. Let's see how they are. I'm gonna eat all these without any condiments or anything, just to see how they actually taste without any influence from condiments or anything like that. And they're definitely a little bit thicker than the White Castle. I think it's just more bun right there, some cheesy goodness. So let's give these a shot and see what they taste like. Between the bun and the cheese, it's a little pasty, but not bad. Not bad at all. Actually has a little bit of flavor. It's kind of nice. And I'd say the package weighed a little bit more than the White Castle 2-pack right there. But not bad for $1. Not bad at all. There's no way I'm going to eat all this food. I would just had the munchies this morning. Stopped into Dollar Tree to find some toys, things like that for a video. And the food sounded good. But definitely good. Thumbs up on this. Bread's a little bit thicker, but it's not all bread, if you know what I mean. You do actually get some flavor for the meat. Not too bad. Next, let's try the barbecue rib sandwich from Fast Bites, which the sliders are from Fast Bites, and the chili cheese dog is awesome. Let's open this bad boy up. Throw it on the plate. I just got this out of the microwave. It's still kind of hot. But for $1, it's got some weight to it for $1. That's pretty good. Actually kind of tasty for $1 sandwich. Not too bad at all. I would normally get a barbecue sandwich like this and put some mayo on it, but I'm gonna just try it without the condiments. And the patty's pretty thick in there too. So definitely not bad. Gotta save some room for the other stuff though. Let's try the chili cheese dog now. This one I'm most curious about. See how well they put together. If I can open up the bag. Yeah, not too bad. Little tray. And the cheese actually looks a little creamy, not it actually melted. I'm trying to get to pull this guy out of here. Kind of sticks to the box a little bit from the moisture in the package. So that's what we're looking at right there. Give this guy a bite and see what happens. Not bad either. It's definitely better than a gas station microwave hot dog. The cheese is creamy. There's the dog inside. Not a lot of chili. I guess there's a bit. Not bad. I'd say another thumbs up for this also. Good times. I'm most impressed with how creamy the cheese is. It's pretty good. Whew. And last but not least, the White Castle sliders. And 2 for $1. I think this is actually cheaper than what you can get them at the store for a box of 6 or however many they make. I forget. And even though I do live in Colorado, I have been to White Castle in Detroit. Went there for a trip, and I ate White Castle as often as I could just because we don't have them here in Colorado. Usually I'll put mustard on these, makes them just awesome. Let's check it out. Seems like there's a little bit of texture difference between these and the ones boxed in the frozen section at the store. But it says it comes from the same company, White Castle, so not bad at all. If you're familiar with these, if you get them frozen at the store, if you don't have a White Castle near you, pretty close to the same quality. Definitely good. Impressed with the cheese and the chili and the hot dog on this one. Not bad at all. Decent amount. This is pretty weighty for $1. For $1 snack, that's pretty damn good. And the sliders, definitely thumbs up. Definitely probably would want to add some condiments to these and not eat them dry. But I'd say thumbs up all around. If I can get it in there like that. For the Dollar Tree microwavable snacks, sandwiches, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, let's chew this down. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you guys again with another video later.